What is up, everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this super low mileage 2007 Shelby GT500 Ford Mustang. It's got a dent in the hood here. We're going to be removing using Paintless Dent Repair. Right there. So this is actually a, like I said, it was a 2007, but it actually has an aluminum hood on it. So we're actually going to be taking the hood pad down on this vehicle and then actually getting access to the back side of the damaged area so that I can fix it if I can pop the hood open. So basically the back side of the hood here with the hood pad removed, the dent is actually right underneath here. So we're actually going to have to use some brace tools to get up in between here because the dent is on a braced area and whatnot. And that is the dent we'll be fixing today in this beauty. So it's got a little bit of scuff marks you can just barely see in it. Hey, what's up, Kyle? Hey, David. And this thing is absolutely immaculate. So like I said, it's got under 2,100 miles on it. It's like 2,083, something like that. I couldn't believe it. The first thing I did was get in it and turn the key on because the customer actually pulled the car in to see that mileage because I was like, there's no freaking way. And, well, he was right. So anyways, actually the car is actually for sale right now. So if you're actually interested and in the market for one of these that's super, super clean, definitely, hit us up and let us know, and we'd be happy to get you fixed up with the car lot that's selling it. So they sell a lot of high-end stuff, and we're happy to do work for them because they want, high-end work done and quality dent repairs. So we're actually going to do a little bit of buffing on this after we get done. As you can see, just barely. It's got a couple little scuffs and whatnot in it. So we'll go ahead and get that taken out for them as well as fix a couple other little minor dings we see on it as well, so in the quarter panels. So anyways, if you've got any dent repairs that you need repaired, feel free to go ahead and give us a call at 605-595-4061. Don't worry if you didn't get that number. There's actually a call-to-click link right here on Facebook that you can call us. Or you can visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com, and we'd be happy to get you set up with a estimate and repair time for you. So anyways, thanks for watching today there, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.